Let's look at this question. An isosceles trapezoid has a mid segment measuring 13 centimeter and an area of 52 centimeters square. If one base has a length 10, find the perimeter of the trapezoid in centimeters. Okay. So if this is 10, this will have to be 16 because 13 is the average of the. This is the mid segment, so this will be the average of the two numbers at the corner. So this is 13. Okay, so if I draw the perpendicular here, I can get the measure of the perpendicular also. Half into half into 26 into the perpendicular. Half 26 is sum of sides is equal to 52, or h is equal to 4. So this is 4 now. This length here will be 10. These two sides will be equal, so they will be 3. If this is 4, this is 3, this will be 5. So now when you have to find the perimeter of the trapezoid, the answer will be 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 16, so 26 plus 10. The answer will be 36.